I am Dr. Diksha Singh. So basically, let's talk about posture this time. And do we really need to sit straight to avoid this pain, low back pain in our back, in our low back, or in our basic reason of bumps? Do we really need to do this? My answer is absolutely no. Posture is not the only reason. Because there's a common beliefs about posture. If you are slightly lordotic, that means this is your correct posture. But this is not it. And secondly, everyone is talking about the posture nowadays. Either it's media, society, patient, and clinician itself. So as a clinician, my basic this video is for clinician and for patients and media and society, everyone. Please do watch and share this video. Whoever think like posture is the only reason. No, posture is not the only reason. And there's no ideal or correct posture kind of thing exactly exist in this world, because every time you ask the patient to sit up or stand straight, you will like this only. So this is actually going to hurt you more. The pain will aggravate and it will affect more soft tissues and structures nearby. So exactly you know what we have to go for. Just mind your back, mind your language. We don't have to go for like you have to adopt the ideal posture, or second, don't sit too long, it is bad for you. No dear. And third thing, your soy back posture, आप ऐसा जो बैठते हो soy back, it's the only reason for pain. No, it's wrong, totally wrong. I am not agreeing with it, because this is not acceptable. This is the only reason and we are treating it. If you got the cervical pain, don't use the pillow, because your this thing is going like this now. So how can you say so? Please don't say or spread these rumors to patient, because बेचारे उस चीज को follow करते हैं and they aggravate their pain. और वो जब whenever they are coming to us in OPD, it is their condition like more worsened. They are more painful. They are more at freak बेचारे. ठीक है? Because if I am there, मैं भी परेशान हो जाऊंगी कि like some doctor saying this, some doctor are saying this. So don't spread the wrong terms. Let's come together in this clinical as a clinician. Let's come together and shake our hand and say and spread this to our patient. Like, first thing, there are different kind of posture, so you can adapt them. Second, no ideal kind of or correct kind of posture thing exactly exists. Whatever you find comfortable, you can adjust according to your comfort, but not for more hours or minutes. You can just change, and sitting is not dangerous. If you're sitting too, then you can change your posture. And third, and the fourth most important, you can adopt a comfortable posture and you can live with it. But you don't have to be in a slight resistive way कि like ऐसा ही करना है, ऐसा straight ही चलना है. No, in a more comfortable way. And one size and one treatment does not fit at all. ठीक है? सबके लिए everyone has a different shape, size, lifestyle and a body and a sedentary lifestyle too, and a different job. So they can adapt a different posture according to it. And सबसे important, your spine is adaptable in nature. It will adapt itself. What you have to ask the patient, कुछ भी ideal नहीं करना है. You have to go with the comfort and changing way. Means as a clinician we have to train them, like we have to make them stand, sit and move more accurately. Means we have to go for symptomatic relief, whatever you can, just take it as what it will help you. So please stop pointing out posture every time whenever we talk about the low back pain. So thank you. And if अगर मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, प्लीज स्प्रेड करिए, शेयर करिए and सब्सक्राइब करिए मेरे चैनल को. I'm Dr. Diksha Singh, an obstetric PT and a founder of Hormonal Wing. So if you want, you can take appointment. I'm in Vasai, Maharashtra. And एक बार मैं हिंदी में भी बोल देती हूँ क्या क्या नहीं करना है. पहला तो कोई आइडियल पोस्चर, करेक्ट पोस्चर नाम की चीज नहीं होती है. सेकेंड, आप डिफरेंट पोस्चर अडॉप्ट कर सकते हैं. आप कितने भी पोजीशनिंग ले सकते हैं. प्लीज गो फॉर इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कंफर्ट जोन. एंड नाउ, एक ही साइज और एक ही ट्रीटमेंट सबको फिट नहीं बैठता है, और आपका स्पाइन एडजस्टेबल और एडेप्टेबल है. इट विल एडजस्ट इटसेल्फ. एंड आपका जो बेसिकली पोस्चर है, इट इज अबाउट योर बिलीव्स, योर इमोशन, योर होप्स, योर मूड्स. If I'm happy, I'll have this kind of posture. If I'm like dancing, I like dance. Like if I'm being bhangra, I'll go for bhangra. If I'm sad, I'll go like depressed like hell. If I'm studying, I'll study like this. If I'm typing like this. I am adapting different posture according to my hopes, my moods, my emotion, my hormones. So basically everything is connected with your hopes, your emotion, your mood. So your posture is actually indicating, reflecting your moods. So if it is depend basically on your everything about your moods, your emotions, your hormones. So don't blame posture every time, please dear. Okay, thank you, and just spread it.